Good day, everyone. So I'm going to teach you how to create a pop out effect using Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is open the picture. Okay, and then after opening the picture, just go to Zoom tool, click Zoom tool, right click your picture, and then click Fit on Screen so that your picture will be bigger in size. Next step is that you have to duplicate the layer. Okay, so I will be hiding the background because I will be using only the background copy. Okay, next is I'm going to use the polygonal lasso tool to select the area in the object or select the object on the picture that I want to pop out. So if I want to pop out the hands, ito, yung part na to, and then the head part, and then this one, and then the feet. So I am going to select them all. Okay, so I will be selecting this area, this part. It's okay if even if it's not that perfect. Okay, as long as you have been selected the area that you need to pop out. And since I want to include the head, so I will be selecting also the head part. There. So since this part is not included, so I will go directly to the hands or to the fingers here. Okay, and then select the area again here to be included in the pop out photo. Okay, so since I will not include anymore some parts, so I will go directly on top and double click. So if the selection has been deleted, just go to edit and then undo select there, and then you press Ctrl J to separate layer. Ctrl J as in drag and fill, and then go to background copy, click the marquee tool, and then select the area. Okay, so since I want my pop out na naka-appear yung hand niya, two hands and fingers, and then yung head at saka yung feet. So I will create a box na naka-pop out yung mga area that I want to pop out from the photo. There. And then all I have to do is, since I'm clicking the background copy, all I have to do is wait, I'll just adjust. So I will just here. Okay, so I will just click this one, the add layer mask. Okay, so that the background will be cut and it will be masked, okay, according to what you need. And then you're done. The next thing that you have to do is for you to put some effects on your background layer mask. Okay, so double click the area or the layer. Just add drop shadow for the background. Okay, you may adjust the distance. And then you may also add stroke. Okay, this one. Okay, you may adjust the stroke. You may add positions to inside. If you want to change the fill type color to gradient, you may also change it if you want. But there, so you just click OK. You may also adjust the size or the opacity of your stroke. Okay, so that's how. Then click OK. You may also include the background if you want to. So you may click the background or show it, and then you may now um, change the color of the images, like for example hue saturation. Okay, if you want to adjust the color so that you can have different hue for the background, and then just click OK. Now if you want to add more of the filter, you can also add filter. Okay, and you can choose from the different filters available here, and then just click OK if done. Okay, so this is how you manipulate the background. Now if you think that you want a plain background, just add new layer. Okay, and then just change the color of your background. So for example, I want to use pink or red. Okay, and then just press Control Backspace. See? So that's how you change the background color of your photos and images. Okay, but if you want to use naman gradient, you can also change its color here. So for example, that one, and then just drag on your layer. Okay, I am clicking the layer 2, which is the background color, so I can change the color and then adjust it. So anywhere you want or whatever directions you want to set, it's okay. Okay, and then don't forget to put your surname on top or anywhere you want. Okay, you can put it here below. You may also add layers or layer effects for your name. Okay, there, there. So we'll just choose a nice effect of a layer name. So for example, that one, and then I want to change the font. Here. So let's choose. There. So for example, I will be choosing this one. Okay, and I'm going to change the font to this one. There. So you can put anywhere. Okay, your name. Okay, so that's how you pop out the object from the photo. Okay, so I hope you've learned something new. See you on the next video.